here we are at the panel shop. We didn't do a video at the time, but we had a bit of a bingle. Not us, but where there was a truck accident, or a car and a truck collided, and the wheel off the truck flew into BerT. So that's the damage. And we've got to leave him here to get repaired now. So yeah, I'll post some photos up after this short video, because we got a bit of a fright. It wasn't very pleasant, but basically the guy had a medical episode in the car, and he was giving way to the truck who was doing 100 kilometres an hour, and had a medical episode and ended up in the side of the trailer of the truck. He's okay. He was taken to hospital by ambulance, so he wasn't airlifted, so as far as we know he was okay. I was in the van, and the wheel off, it was actually a tyre. I thought it was a wheel at the time. I could see coming straight at me through the front window of the caravan, which gave me time to get out of the van. Brad was outside in the awning, under the awning, and he was yelling at me, so somehow I managed to get out quick enough, and it just missed the van by about a metre. Unfortunately, it was a tyre, not the wheel. It hit BerT. So it hit Tupperware containers first and sort of veered to the left. Otherwise it may very well have taken our mirror out. So we're very lucky. It could have been a lot worse. But anyway, I'll put some photos. I'll add some photos to the end of this and give you guys an idea of a bit more about what happened, because we took photos, but I was too shaken up to do videos. So anyway, we're leaving it here, and that over there, the Triton, is our new vehicle until we get BerT back. So what do you think we should call this one? Interesting times ahead. So alright, bye BerT, see you when we get back, when we get you back. Hey everybody, so today we are picking up BerT from the panel shop. So we say goodbye to this beast, and I'll show you BerT soon. Okay, we got BerT back. Look at him, like new. Good job. Can't see much difference. Well, they did, yeah, so they've done a bit of a, what have they done? They've given you a
ding there, of course, from the tyre,
so
the truck. So they've got a new guard, and done the bonnet, door, and polished all the way around the outside.
So they're giving him all
Yeah, it's not too good to drive.
a cut and polish or whatever, so he'd give him a bottle of whiskey for that.
Yeah.
So they didn't replace the door, they patched the door up, and they've replaced the guard. So she looks good. Now the test, see if they've fixed this. Yay!
One drip out the front.
The waterworks, they have fixed that. What's the drip out the front? What's the drip out the front? Oh, just been washed. Anyway, look at that for a job. And you can't see, they were going to blend it up to the bonnet or something, the paint, so...
And we've got a box of chocolates.
box of chocolate.
Which I can't eat.
Alright, let's get back in, Bert. Awesome. Care to share what's going on?
We'll just come to grab the ute. It's got a drip down underneath the ground here. And we'll look up into it. Looks like it's almost near the radiator. I can't imagine they wouldn't have the radiator out. Which is a bit weird. I had no drips and I dropped it off. Get the lady, I think.
We did get a lifetime guarantee on the repairs, but I don't know. Anyway, he'll sort it out. Stay tuned. So we're back in BerT. Yay, and they claim that water must be from when they washed it, apparently. But we'll see, I guess.
Must be in the radiator, running out of the radiator fins of the radiator. That's all I can think of. It's not,
they washed underneath the... washed it all. Anyway, we shall see. All good?
It's not a coolant setup, which is good.
Let's go!
Let's go, Ange.
All right. Catch you next time.